In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily update the graphics on your Razor MX350 or MX400. A link to the product is above and also in the description. But before we get started, I hope you like and subscribe, and let's get after it. So to put the new graphics on, I want to remove the old plastic graphics. Before I install the new graphics, I'm going to get rid of the plastic distress marks. If I just hit that with the heat gun, the color will come back. There's some here on the back, and then you'll come around to this side. You can see there's a little bit white there, and then up front on this fender, there's some white. I'll hit that with the heat gun, and the color will come right back. To install the new graphics like this, what I'm going to do is spray the surface with soapy water. Then I'm going to peel off the backing, and then the soapy water allows me to reposition the graphics to center it on the plastic. Then I'm going to use a heat gun to push out the bubbles, and I can use this little spade here to get the bubbles out, or I'm going to use a credit card and I can swipe that to get the bubbles out. So I'm going to go ahead and start that process. After installing the graphics, the bike really looks sleek and updated. I also upgraded the rear drum brake to this disc brake. A link to that video is above and also in the description. I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments, and thanks for watching.